Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error message that says the program can't start because API-MS-Win-Core-Timezone is missing from your computer. Try reinstalling the program to fix the problem. So what I'd recommend doing here would be to go ahead and open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to open up Google Chrome for today's tutorial. And you want to search into Google Visual C++ redistributable and go ahead and search for it. One of the best results should come back from a Microsoft domain that says the latest supported Visual C++ downloads. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go ahead and scroll down here, and underneath the download section, x86, this will be 32-bit versions of Windows, and x64 would be 64-bit versions of Windows. So since I'm on a 32-bit machine, I'm going to select the x86 architecture one. A lot of you guys will probably be doing the x64 one if you're running a computer made within the last 10 years or so, but I know I'm running a virtual machine, so it's x86 for me. And you're going to go ahead and open it up once it's done downloading. Select Run. You want to agree to the license terms and conditions and select Install. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. It should say setup successful. You must restart your computer before you can use the software. Save and close out of any open programs and applications and go ahead and select Restart. And there you go, guys. You shouldn't be getting that error anymore when trying to launch the application you were experiencing the problem with. So pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.